Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And this is an item that I purchased from Ulta.com. So this would be part of the Ulta haul series. And this is the Ulta Beauty Endless Eyes 40-piece eyeshadow palette. And it tells you in the back. The shades include 16 neutrals, 6 spicy, 6 cranberry, 6 marine inspired, and 6 plum. Okay. And then we'll open it up. It has a nice mirror. We'll just fold that over. And this still has the plastic on it. I'm going to see if I can get this plastic off so that I can let's take this off so that I can show you the shadows without this paper on it. Creates a glare. Okay. So here is the palette. And that is just stunning. I love the colors. I love all the dark blues and the greens. And I'm assuming that's a navy. That might be a black. It's kind of hard to tell. And your shimmers. And your bigger pans here of, you know, your neutrals and your transition shades. And then you have your, I would assume these are the cranberries that they were talking about on the back. And here's like your, almost like your corally colors, and then blues, you know, golds, browns. There's just so many beautiful colors. And let's, I guess we'll swatch a few, because I'm going to be keeping this for myself. I'm curious to see. And the pans are a little small, but you can still, you know, I can get my finger in them, so getting a brush in them will be fine. So, I swatched this color and this color right here. I just don't want to get. And there is the blue, and then that one's almost like a blue-green. I mean, that's very pretty. Maybe I'll just see if I can stand that up. I don't know if it will stand up, so probably not. Just want to get these shades off my fingers so that I can continue swatching. And then we have, let's see, I just don't want a wet finger. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. We'll do this color. Well, that came up pretty. So we did this color right here, which is like a brownish, goldish color. And that is showing up right here for a swatch. And it doesn't, there's not a lot of falling out there. What color else? Oh, maybe try some of these, like these berries here. Let's see what this has to offer. So I swatched that one right there. Okay, that's coming up way lighter than I thought. So let's go two coats of that one. So that color's right here. I figured that would come up a lot darker, and that was this one right here. That's like a deep cranberry. It's very dark, but it came up, there it is on my finger. So I figured it would come up on the skin. Is there anything on that finger? No. So what other colors should we try? Let's just try one of these neutrals. We can maybe come up here with it. So that's kind of light also. Is it buildable? Let's see. Okay, so that's this color right here. And that is right there on my wrist. So that's kind of light. I mean, if that's a transition shade that you want. And let's try this one next to it and see if we get anything better. I'll just move down my arm here. Okay, that's a little bit darker. Buildable. These are kind of, and there it is right there on my arm. Kind of light. So I'm not going to swatch them all because it's late in the evening here, but I wanted to get some of these videos filmed. So that's really not a bad palette. I mean, would I say it's the best one that I've tried from Ulta? No, but the colors seem like they're buildable. And I think it priced, did I tell you the price? Was $9.99. So if, you know, a few of the shades I have to work a little harder and build them up, I'm okay with that. Personally, when I'm doing a crease shade or an all over, all over the lid shade, I don't necessarily want it to be super dark from the get-go. I'd rather take a few extra minutes and build it up. This way I can control the amount of color going on. So that is the video for today, and this is from Ulta Beauty, and this is their Endless Eyes 40-piece shadow palette. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.